So guys, today I will do the unboxing from my new gloves from Garibaldi. So let's do it. Done. Let's ride. Nice view, huh? Amazing. So cool. The train. The train is coming. The train is coming. Oh, so nice. Okay, we are now entering Liechtenstein. And Liechtenstein is a small country inside Switzerland. Yes. They have the kings and so on. And the capital is Vaduz. Vaduz. They have their national day is the 15th of August, I think. And it's very cool because this day, but if you come to Vaduz, the city is a big party. Big party. Very cool. With all these things to eat, to drink, of course. And how do you call it? Ocean train. The main event is the fireworks. I think at 10, yes, in the evening, they do fireworks. And these fireworks, it takes about half an hour. You just have to look at the sky and enjoy, you know? Very cool. Very cool. For the last 3-4 years, I always come to this party, if you can say. But the last year, well, because of Corona, there was no party. But let's see what happens this year. Yes, yes. Thank you. And now Vaduz. Vaduz. Today was a perfect day to ride, you know? Very nice. Very nice. Not too warm, not too cold, just perfect. Not too fast, not too slow, just chill. You know? That's the point, at least for me, you know, to chill. Yeah, I went to Rochar, it's a city Here in Switzerland, you maybe heard of the Rorschach test, personality test, yes, with these inks. I don't know if it comes from there. Maybe it comes, yes. I think the guy, no, the name of the guy was Rorschach. I have to see, I don't know. Oh yeah, baby, yes, just please. Oh, a Porsche. So I was saying, I went to Rorschach. There you have the Bodensee. It's a lake that you can, if you walk around the lake, you walk through Switzerland, Austria, and Germany. Yes, it's a big lake, So just now, that's the castle from the kings of Liechtenstein, and the fireworks when they do in this national day, the fireworks, it comes from up there. It's very cool, very cool. I don't know if you can see it there. It's very cool. Yeah, so I went to Rorschach, just enjoying the breeze, you know, the windy. Yeah, I didn't took my camera off because I just want to chill. And somehow I think this Corona thing it's giving you some peace at this point. There was a lot of people chilling in the, not inside the restaurants, but in the outside, you know. Well, here, yes, here. It's cool to see some life again, you know. It's cool to see some life. Yeah. And this is Vaduz, the capital from Liechtenstein. It's a very big city. No, I'm joking. It's not a very big city. I must share something with you guys. I think this bike, the Honda CB500F, has one of the most beautiful stock sounds. This inline, no, not inline, yes, this parallel twin. It's very cool with the stock exhaust. I like it. I like it. Noze. Beleza, estamos com uma pressa. This guy behind me is in a hurry. Yeah, he's in a hurry. Let's give some gas for the man. Not more than 50, because it's not allowed. But let's give him some space. The little boy. Oh, the little cows. They have a nice life here. Yes. This is a small mountain road here. It's not very big. It's not very big. It's not too long, but it's cool, you know. Just to enjoy some slow curves, twisties, some slow twisties. Switzerland. Switzerland. We are not in England, are we? This seems dangerous. They have a nice life. Look at that. Nice life. Oh, nice mic. So, boys and girls and non-binary people, that's it for today. Talking about nothing. Thank you.